Hello and welcome back to Learn British English Free on YouTube. My name is Chris. I'm from England. I'm a native speaker. This lesson is for advanced students who are ready to speak and have conversations with native speakers from the UK like me. The point is to tell you about some simple common conversation starters to help you start talking to people from the UK that you might meet or work with. Most of them are meaningless, don't worry, I will explain as we go. It's actually really easy. Let's start the general greeting. Hello, how are you? How can you respond? Some simple ones. Fine, thanks. And you? More informal. Not bad. You? All right. What about you? Very common ones you probably know, but don't forget to ask the other person as well. As always, we tend to be not negative, but not expressing too much. Fine, not bad, all right. These are very popular things to say. More specifically, if you're working, your response can alter depending on the day of the week. Mondays aren't great. They are quite unpopular because it's the start of the week. People have to work again. How are you? Not bad for a Monday. Or can't complain considering it's Monday. We are being a little bit negative because it's Monday, but still we're all right. We're fine. Another thing to talk about on Monday. How is your weekend? Good. And yours? On Friday, everyone's feeling better. For most people, it's the end of the week. The weekend is next. How are you? It's Friday, so can't complain. Glad it's Friday. Something like this. Monday, Friday, easy. You can always say something about the day. In the middle of the week, not so easy. Of course, the weather. It's true, you can always talk about it with British people. If someone says something about the weather to you, the best thing is just agree with it in some way. You'll be fine. They might say, miserable day, isn't it, when it's raining? Or a stronger negative statement, the weather's shocking. You could say yes, but it should brighten up later. This is when we know the weather forecast. We think that the weather will be better later in the day. Sometimes it's sunny, even in the UK. People might say, looks nice out there today. Lovely. People really will talk about this every day if you're here. Another thing, if people drive to work, you might talk about the traffic, the journey in. Normally, they will mention if it's bad. It was murder on the way in this morning. This doesn't mean someone was killed. This means that the traffic was very bad. The roads were a nightmare. Another negative thing. When people say these things, a safe reply is, oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. Your job is finished. Easy. These are the best ways to start conversations with British people. Can be friends, colleagues, even sometimes strangers. British people are normally comfortable only discussing these topics. I hope this helped. Please let me know what you think. Write me a comment. I look forward to it. Please subscribe to Learn British English Free on YouTube for more lessons like this. Also on Facebook, Instagram, the website. Please look in the description on YouTube for the links. And please email me at Yahoo for private lessons on Skype if you want those. Thanks for your time. I will see you soon for more free lessons. Bye for now.